The Ugandan government has announced this morning that the death toll from last week's fuel tanker explosion near the Ugandan capital, Kampala, has risen to 24. In an earlier statement, the Ugandan Communications Minister reported 11 deaths. He has since reported an additional 13 deaths in Kurudu and Bambu military hospitals, bringing the toll to 24. The WHO's representative in the Democratic Republic of Congo, Burima Sambu, has praised the success of the ongoing mpox vaccination campaign in 6 of the nation's provinces. Sambu reported that several provinces in the country have achieved 100% coverage of the targeted plan for the first dose of the vaccination campaign. Ivory Coast's former Trade Minister Jean-Louis Billon has stated that he would seek the nomination of the Democratic Party of Ivory Coast for the country's 2025 presidential election. Billon will be challenging the current Democratic Party leader and the former CEO of the Credit Suisse Bank, Tidjane Thiam.